My dear children, let's start the topic of class plus 2 with the topic of class plus 1. So please tell me, what is the formula? What is the formula of this? What I am going to calculate? Here it is the capital, add net profit, add additional capital, add interest on capital. Clear? Less drawings, less interest on drawings, less net losses. Yes, so here we find out what capital at the end that we mention in the balance sheet as a capital in the case of the financial statements. Clear? So this is the formula or method to calculate the capital at the end that we did in plus 1 class. My dear children, now in the class plus 2 we need to find out what we need to find out the opening capital. Why we need to find out the opening capital? To calculate the interest on capital. So why we need to find out the interest on capital? To prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So in that case, in the case of profit and loss appropriation, we need interest on capital. For that we need opening capital, because of interest on capital is always to be calculated on the opening capital. Clear? So in the question, sometimes or mostly closing capitals is to be given, and in that case closing capital we need to find out the opening capital. So sometimes students feel difficult to find out the opening capital to learn the formula. So I'm going to give you a simple tip how to calculate the opening capital. So this formula we did in plus 1 class, so we will pick this formula to calculate the opening capital. We will pick out first of all capital at the end. These three values we had deduct. Now we will add back these values and we will deduct these three values. So we will pick up the capital at the end, we will add back these three values and we will deduct these three values. Yes, in this case we can find out the opening capital. How? Let's see. Here when the capital accounts are fluctuating, we will pick up the capital at the end. We will add back the drawings against profit, interest on drawings and share of loss, and we will deduct the additional capital, partner salary in any case, interest on capital and share of loss. In this case we can find out the opening capital. When the capital accounts are fixed, so then the formula is very simple. Capital at the end, add drawings less additional capital, we can find out the opening capital. How? With a practical sum. Let's solve.